Welcome back to Super Garage, where we dive deep into the world of next-level motorhomes, and today, we're bringing you something absolutely jaw-dropping, the 2026 Kenworth T2000 Motorhome. This isn't just any RV. It's a symbol of bold engineering, cutting-edge technology, and luxury living on wheels. Get ready to experience the future of motorhomes, because the Kenworth T2000 is in a league of its own. The Kenworth T2000 has always been a favorite among truckers for its aerodynamic design and long-haul capabilities. But in 2026, it's been reimagined into something extraordinary. We're talking about a transformation that turns this heavy-duty powerhouse into a rolling luxury palace. From the outside, it still holds onto that iconic Kenworth silhouette, but now it's enhanced with a futuristic grille, intelligent LED matrix lights, and streamlined bodywork that screams sophistication. This isn't just about looks, every inch of this beast is designed to optimize performance and efficiency on the road. Step inside, and it's like walking into a 5-star penthouse. The living area feels like a modern luxury apartment, with top-tier leather recliners, a massive OLED smart TV with satellite connectivity, surround sound, and ambient lighting that adjusts based on the time of day. The walls are lined with high-grade wood paneling and brushed aluminum accents, making the entire space feel both warm and high-tech. You're not just traveling, you're traveling in style, surrounded by comfort that rivals any high-end home. The kitchen area is a chef's dream. It's equipped with a full-size refrigerator, induction cooktop, convection oven, and a deep farmhouse sink. All appliances are smart-enabled, so you can control them through voice commands or your phone. There's even a hidden pantry system that slides out with a touch, revealing ample storage space for all your culinary needs. The countertops are real marble, and the cabinetry is soft close with custom LED lighting. Nothing here is basic or boring. Adjacent to the kitchen, you have a dining space that doubles as a workstation. The dining table is extendable and features built-in wireless charging pads, USB-C ports, and even a mini pop-up screen for video conferencing. This is the kind of space where you can enjoy a gourmet meal or take a Zoom meeting in the middle of the desert. It's all about flexibility and high-tech convenience. Now, let's talk about the master bedroom. It's not just a sleeping area, it's a full-blown luxury suite. The bed is a king-size memory foam mattress with motorized recline and massage features. Overhead storage is sleek and flush with the walls, while full-length wardrobes are mirrored and illuminated. There's also a hidden vault-style drawer under the bed for securing valuables. You also get an independent HVAC control system, so the bedroom can be customized for perfect sleeping temperatures no matter the climate outside. The bathroom setup is equally impressive. We're talking about a full spa-like experience with a rain shower, heated floors, a dual-sink vanity, and a smart toilet with built-in bidet and UV cleaning. The shower walls are touchscreen enabled, so you can control water temperature and pressure or even play your favorite music while you unwind. Above the vanity, you'll find a smart mirror with built-in lighting, news feed, and weather updates. This is what happens when technology meets luxury in a motorhome. Even the hallway connecting the sections of the Kenworth T2000 is a work of art. It's equipped with dynamic lighting, soundproofing panels, and motion sensors that gently light your path at night. There's a central control panel right in the hallway, allowing you to manage the entire RV's lighting, temperature, security, and entertainment systems with ease. Speaking of security, this motorhome is built like a fortress. It features biometric entry, facial recognition cameras, and a full 360-degree surveillance system that can be accessed remotely from your phone. Whether you're parked in the city or off-grid in the mountains, the Kenworth T2000 gives you peace of mind like never before. When it comes to power and mobility, the 2026 Kenworth T2000 does not disappoint. It's equipped with a hybrid diesel-electric drivetrain that delivers immense torque and surprising fuel efficiency for a vehicle of this size. The regenerative braking system and solar panel roofing reduce dependency on fuel and keep your power banks charged. You can drive across the country with fewer stops and more savings, while reducing your carbon footprint at the same time. Air suspension ensures a smooth ride, even over the roughest terrains. The adaptive cruise control, lane assist, auto parking, and collision avoidance system make long journeys safer and more comfortable. With Level 3 autonomy, the Kenworth T2000 can even handle parts of your drive autonomously, ideal for those long highway stretches. And if you're someone who loves entertainment and connectivity, you'll love this: high-speed Starlink satellite internet, 8K projector system in the rear entertainment lounge, a retractable exterior TV and barbecue station for outdoor gatherings, and even a rooftop deck with a retractable awning, sound system, and solar-powered mood lighting. It's the perfect setup for hosting friends or enjoying nature with first-class comforts. Storage is no afterthought either. You've got external slide-out compartments with automatic lift gates, a rear garage space for storing bikes or even a compact electric scooter, and internal storage hidden in every corner. This motorhome is designed to maximize space without compromising design. Everything about the 2026 Kenworth T2000 Motorhome speaks of ambition and attention to detail. It's not just built for travel, it's built for a lifestyle. A lifestyle where freedom doesn't mean sacrificing luxury, where adventure doesn't mean discomfort, and where the road feels just like home, or maybe even better. For those who want the best of everything, the T2000 delivers on all fronts. So if you're ready to experience the ultimate evolution of overland travel, the 2026 Kenworth T2000 is your dream come true. It's bold, it's beautiful, and it's built to move you, in every sense of the word. This is Super Garage, and we bring you the finest in the world of motorhomes. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more luxury machine content. Until next time, keep living large and driving smart.